Okay, so tail wheel part two. As I explained, I'd printed a partial wheel to glue to the bottom of the fuselage, and I've cut the fiberglass, the 4mm fiberglass rod, made the holes. So, and then it occurred to me that the sides that I printed, the brackets, the mounting brackets, I could fix to the fuselage, and they could be painted at the same time as the fuselage. And the tail wheel assembly is, I just put a bit of silver, squirt of actually might even be what we call cold galvanizing cold gal paint. Just masked it off and gave that a squirt. So it just fits in like that. You could imagine this being the same color as the fuselage, the bracket, whatever that is. And then I still have the axle that fits through. It's a bit hard to do with only one hand. So that fits in there like that. Look at that. That's going to be awesome. funny little story. The force of habit, I suppose, creatures of habit or logic, whatever, I'm not sure. But the first time I put this axle in, I quite genuinely and embarrassingly tried to spin the wheel. I don't know if that's yeah, whatever. Anyway, just to follow up on the tail wheel, I was pretty chuffed with the result. Over and out.